I'm going to show you guys a free way of advertising that will fall under the next way of making money online as a broke individual. If done right, this can actually be another way of making passive income with you only needing to work 1 or 2 days per month. And I've seen countless examples of this, not only with myself, but with my students. What you need to do is make an account on the exact platform that you're watching this video on right now. Yes, this exact platform. Next, what you want to do is pick a profitable niche that will make you the most amount of money. These are niches like travel, fitness, technology, finance. They might be wondering, Matt, why are we doing this right now? But trust me, this will make a lot of sense in just a second. Next, you're going to want to generate an entire month worth of content for this channel, falling under that niche that we chose, and content in which you don't show your face or your voice. And yes, this will be the only part of the process that will take some time, but like I said, it's quite literally a free investment. For the reward that you're gonna get, which I'll explain to you guys in just a moment, you can easily create these faceless videos using artificial intelligence tools. For example, you can use the tool TubeMagic to generate your scripts with AI, and then generate completely realistic voiceovers using something like play.ht, or simply recording yourself doing the voiceover using your phone. And once you've made anywhere from 10 to 20 videos for the month, you're gonna wanna go onto your new channel and schedule these videos to be uploaded over the span of the month. And I recommend uploading anywhere from 3 to 5 videos per week. And then you can go ahead and start working on your next month of content right after that's done, because you have it scheduled to be going out for you while you're working on that next batch, and you're basically ahead of the curve. Now, the reason you're doing all this is because of a super important hack that will allow you to work only 1 or 2 days per month. Once you repeat this process enough time doing the work yourself, you'll be making money from this that you can then invest in hiring other people from platforms like Fiverr to do the work that you may not enjoy doing for you. And the way that you make money back is through ad revenue. So YouTube will put ads on your videos and you'll make money every time someone sees an ad before your videos, during your videos, or after your video. If you get 6,000 views per day across all of your videos, or 180,000 views per month, with these profitable niches, you could be making anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000 per month. And then you go to Fiverr, hire somebody to do this for you at a fraction of the cost. And that's why in the beginning I told you guys to create a faceless YouTube channel. That way somebody else can take over doing this for you without there being any significant change in the content. And then just 1 day per month, the person that you hired to do the work for you will send you a Google Drive folder with all of your videos in it, and you simply take those videos and you go ahead and schedule them to be uploaded. Use something like TubeMagic in order to write your titles, descriptions, and tags easily, so you have your videos optimized as much as they can possibly be. And then you can watch as your channel takes off more and more, with you working ideally less and less. And you can keep repeating this process as well. This is how I run 12 different channels, because I have tons of people that I've hired online who work for me and with me around the clock. And the process can be a little bit complicated, but for how little investment that you have to do to get the ball rolling yourself, and the potential of such a big reward back, I've never had to go to college, work a 9-to-5 job, all because of this method. It's 100% worth it in my opinion, and one of the best ways of making money online. In fact, you can get everything that you need to know for running a faceless YouTube channel from my course and community called Tube Mastery and Monetization. I go over all the things you'd ever need to know, and we have a community where we answer every single question daily, so you can know that you're doing this the right way throughout your journey. People go to college and be in debt for decades just to make a salary where they're barely able to cover their monthly expenses, but the potential rewards from running a faceless channel, at least in my opinion, are a lot more if you want to do it. I have record-breaking amounts of students finding success within my program, so I highly recommend that you check it out in the description if you're at all interested in doing this.